All right, I'm over here in Temecula. I'm in the Glen Oaks area of wine country. Oh, my name is Taylor with Valleyscape Irrigation and Lighting. And I want to talk today about one of the biggest problems I see when people replace sprinkler valves. This is landscapers, gardeners, or homeowners. Same thing every time. It's really common in this area, especially in wine country. I seem to see it a lot. I don't know why. Anyways, check this out. So I'm replacing this sprinkler valve right here. So oftentimes people will do the right thing. They cut the old one out and they get some nice glue from Home Depot, but they forget something. They forget this stuff right here, purple primer. This stuff is the most important step. So what I like to do is you get that little dauber and you put 2 rounds on each fitting that you're gluing in, and then also on the pipe that you're gluing to. So just like this, make sure this is my pressure side, so make sure you hit it twice. Let it soak in a little bit. Make sure you get the top of the pipe, but right like that. You want it to get on there pretty good. See, and I believe according to their specifications, you have about, I think it's 60 seconds while it's still malleable. And so what that does is it softens the PVC, so the glue actually welds in and becomes part of the PVC. So you have to have that. Don't skip this step. It's super, super important. So that's it. That's all I have. Most common issue I see with sprinkler valve replacements in Temecula right there. Thanks for watching.